Scorpions are arachnids, related to spiders, and they are known for their distinctive pincers and a segmented tail that ends with a venomous stinger. They use their pincers to grasp prey, while the venom helps immobilize or kill it. Male bees, known as drones, have one primary purpose: to mate with a queen. Unlike worker bees, drones do not have stingers, and they typically die shortly after mating. Most spiders are venomous, but the majority of them pose no threat to humans. They use their venom to subdue or liquefy their prey before consuming it.